to differentiate this exercise, I'm going to show you 3 different ways you can implement. The first way is to use 2 motifs, motif A and motif B from the resource. So the group plays the calls of motif A, and I respond to motif A with modified versions, followed by calls of motif B, and I do the same thing with motif B. I'm going to use 4 calls on A, followed by 4 calls on B. The reason why this is a little more challenging is because I need to remember the motifs, and I need to make decisions about somewhat different material. This is how it goes. The second way to differentiate this exercise is by using more motifs. In this case, I'm going to use motif A, B, C, and D from the resource, each one played 1 time. However, I know that they go in order, okay? So the difficulty at this point is to remember the motifs quickly and to respond to material that changes even quicker. So this is how the exercise goes. Difficult way to differentiate this exercise is by using the 4 different motifs in random order. This means that the improviser will have to recognize by ear the motifs and respond quickly. That means that there is a little bit of less time to make the decision, because the first thing to do is to recognize the motif, then make the decision on which note to change. Differentiated application of the exercises, I'm still applying the idea of creating patterns with the ending notes, or thinking in terms of phrases, resolving at the end of the phrases with my modified versions. So this is something to keep in mind for the differentiated exercises as well.